In early 2007, a new alternative concept emerged through the efforts of the Asheville Design Center. The goal of the alternative was to separate local Patton Avenue traffic from I-240 traffic across the Smoky Park bridges, similar to Alternative 4, and to provide an alternate that seeks to better fit the Asheville riverfront community. In the fall of 2007, the City of Asheville and Buncombe County hired an independent consultant to further evaluate and develop an alternative concept based on the principles of the original Asheville Design Center alternative. Through collaboration between the ADC, City of Asheville, Buncombe County, and the NCDOT, a new alternative emerged, known as Alternative 4B.